So in chapter 18, we're going to move into talking about energy, specifically free energy and thermodynamics. So the first law of thermodynamics is there's no free lunch. Energy is conserved in chemical processes. But worse even than that, you can't create energy. You also can't even break even. So you can't win and you can't break even. Energy transactions are like gambling. Go to the casino, pocket full of money, and you're going to lose the money. It's just what happens because the casino gets a part of everything. Whenever we have energy that is being converted into another form, we lose some of it. It's like a tax. Every time we buy or sell something, the government taxes us and takes some of the money. So burning a car to run gasoline. Burning gasoline to run a car. Only about 20% of the energy from the combustion goes towards moving the car. And the rest of it's lost as heat. So the engine gets hot, right? So that reaction, you've got energy moving the car, and you've got heat. And so the heat, that energy is still in the universe, but it is lost to usefulness because it just dissipates into the atmosphere. So you can't win, you can't create energy that wasn't there to begin with. Second law of thermodynamics coming soon. If we look at a rechargeable battery, say the battery does 100 kilojoules of work and then you need to recharge it, it will take more than 100 kilojoules of energy to recharge the battery. So energy doesn't get destroyed in charging and discharging, but it gets lost to useful work. So it's lost to the surroundings. That's nature's heat tax. You can also lose additional energy because real-world processes are less than 100% efficient. So fewer transactions means more efficient energy use. And so, say if you're heating your house using natural gas, where the gas is taken out of the ground, you burn the gas goes to heat your home. As opposed to heating your home with an electric furnace, where in another power plant they're burning coal to make steam, to turn the turbines to generate the electricity, which then gets transmitted to your house and into the furnace. You have more transactions, and so more energy is lost that way. So fewer transactions means more efficient energy use. So you can't win, you can't even break even. Yeah, that's what I just talked about. Multiple transactions heating with electricity, fewer transactions heating with natural gas, so it's more efficient because we get the benefit of a larger percentage of the energy.